What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So today, obviously, the markets were red. When you talk about this, that's why the thumbnail talks about, or no, the title, I haven't made it yet. But there's going to be crash somewhere in there. It's a very serious conversation. We're up. Today was red. The red day in the S&P. Santa has left. He left the building. What I found funny was when the S&P, so it gapped up, right? We can see right here, here's the daily. We closed here, we gapped up to here, pushed up, and then as soon as we came back down, the second we did, I saw a whole bunch of news of S&P ends its rally, stock market's red, and it was just a flood of things. And for some reason, even though I'm even on vacation right now, I still saw a bunch of things, a bunch of notifications. Why this and why that, and what do you mean why? Sorry. We hit the expected move for the week, as you can see. Got a little bit ahead, and we reined it back in. If you've been following me for a while, you have it on this channel because this channel is actually brand new. But my other channel, I'll tell you guys, 80% chance we rein it back in. That's it. What we actually need to talk about right now is, are we going to go 2 standard deviations? This is a retail week, a relatively low volume week. I think we hit the new year. They come back, everyone trading at an institution, big banks, they come back bright-eyed and bushy-tailed at the beginning of the year, which leaves us with this whole week of just low volume pushes that you really can't trust. At least in my opinion, I don't feel comfortable trusting it. Like, I don't mind day trading this stuff. I had a great day today. But, man, sometimes when I see these rallies just continue, and in any normal market, we should be pulling back. As the market ebbs and flows, like pullbacks, you get the dip buy. Those are the best time to buy. Kind of buying at the top right now would have me a little bit skittish. Now, remember, I drew these out at the beginning of the week. Well, sorry, I drew this out on Saturday. If you are subscribed to this channel, you should. If you're not, hit the subscribe button. Turn the notifications on, because every Saturday I draw out these little blue lines. They're not support and resistance levels. They're where the market is pricing in their risk. This is where market makers are at a neutral delta. This is where hedging needs to take place outside. So this is where the volatility is going to get. Now, I remember SPY was actually a 729. So that puts us at 2 standard deviations right up here. And I'm kind of curious now, are we going to hit that? Because it's retail world and they know how to just click buy, see the confetti, and tell everybody hooray. Are we going to start buying this up, push this dip up there, and cause some delta hedging to take place where we need to actually, we do see that rally up here. So we do I do iron condors on SPY, and I think my group agrees in my mentorship. I told them today, if you do not feel comfortable holding this right now, you're at break even. But actually, no, the trade's up. As it pushed up, we sold the call spread, we sold the put spread. If you guys know what options are, we sold a put spread, we sold a call spread. So we closed the put spread for not, well, a couple bucks, $4. And the call spread right now is right at the amount we collected. So it is, you're that break even or even a little bit up. But I told them we're right on the line. And because we sold the 480, we sold the 481s, bought the 483s as $2 spread. That's why I said, you guys, if you're feeling nervous, close it, because in an iron condor you are collecting less and risking more. Now every day trader wants to tell you they got a 15-to-1 magic ratio and whatever. As you tilt the numbers and scales in your favor, you will collect less, but with that less risk. Doesn't necessarily make it safer, but this is a hard one. In a normal market, I'd say maybe the fireworks are done. In this particular week, I can actually see us jumping up here. So at that point, that would be the number to look out. So, what do you guys think? Are we going to rein it back in? Do we sell off? Do we come up with some more excuses? Are we going to pull back now? Or are we hitting that 2 spot up here? Let me know in the comments down below. That's for the S&P, so SPY. As far as QQQ goes, gapped up, kind of tagged that, came back down. You know what? Maybe they just have just a giant rally. QQQ is 802. Let's draw a 2 spot just for fun. IWN had a, if I remember right, a good day. When I checked it once, it was rallying. Oh, just a little bit. Came right back down. That's just right in the middle. We're not even close on that one yet. So, let me know in the comments down below. How do you think the rest of this week plays out? Do we rally it up? And I'm talking about the S&P specifically because we're kind of right there. And this is where I saw all the excuses coming out. As soon as this thing turned red. I mean, it's like they had that just hot off the presses. I mean, ready to print right before. Red, send it. Full send. Notifications galore. Do we push up and close up here? Do we push up, rein it back in, close down here? Or do we just pivot and sell off? How do you think we're going to end the rest of this week right now? Let me know, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you guys in, what's today, Tuesday? I'll see you on my regular channel, Don Franz Show, tomorrow.